Rain gutters have historically been a matter for what's above your home. But did you know that rain gutters can have an impact on what's below your home? Stick around. Hi, I'm Sterling, the videographer for Arizona Foundation Solutions. In this video, we will go over the importance of rain gutters in a dry climate much like Arizona. It is my hope that by the end, you will have the knowledge to make an informed decision about your home's foundation needs. One common question asked is, do I need rain gutters in Arizona? The short answer is yes. Seems odd that rain gutters would be important in a place where rainfall is scarce. But rain has a major impact on your home's foundation. Here's why. Arizona is known for its dry climate and low precipitation. Extreme heat in summer months would lead one to believe that any rainfall wouldn't last too long on the surface. You wouldn't think rain gutters would be a big deal. It turns out Arizona needs them more than most places. When it rains, moisture absorbs into the soil. As the rain stops and the heat increases, the moisture migrates toward cooler, drier soils. Where do you think the cool, dry soil is found? Yep, right underneath your home. So no big deal, right? Water is attracted to cool, dry soil. Who am I to judge what water is attracted to? When that water comes in contact with the cool, dry soil, something occurs that makes it a big deal for you and your home's foundation. You won't notice it at first. The soil's outside of dried up, the sun is shining, and you've already forgotten the last time it rained. You lay down in your nice warm bed and slowly fall asleep until you hear a pop. A crack. What was that? Stay tuned until the end for a link to answer what those popping noises are. At this point, expansive soils have taken hold and the movement has commenced. Expansive soils are what happens when moisture comes in contact with dry soils, much like the symbiote in Spider-Man when it came in contact with Eddie Brock. The water is the symbiote, and the cool, dry soils, that's Eddie Brock. Together they form the venomous, expansive soils. Just be grateful the symbiote didn't come in contact with the Sandman, but I digress. The water-to-soil process is quite fascinating. For clarification and less Spider-Man references, check out this video here. Installing a proper gutter system can greatly reduce the amount of moisture accumulation under your home's foundation. Although gutters won't be the end-all be-all to protect against expansive soils, it will collect all the rain from your roof that would have ended up pooling around your foundation. After installation, keep an eye out for any issues you might have with your foundation. Are there cracks in your drywall? Separation between the wall and ceiling? You could be experiencing expansive soil heave and will need an in-home evaluation. If this is the case, give us a call, and one of our foundation specialists will help you find the best solution for your foundation needs. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to hit that like and subscribe.